السلام عليكم. Assalamu alaikum. So today we're going to do a practice on how to ask questions. In a previous video, we learned how to group our nouns and make nominal sentences and verbal sentences. When we make a nominal sentence, it starts with a noun. Then we say, for example, Bait, Bait Kabir, big house. That's a nominal sentence. Bait Kabir. And then verbal sentence would be Ashrab ma, I drink water. Ashrab ma. Ashrab ma, I drink water. But to even have more opportunities to practice and activate these vocabulary, we need to make sure that we use them in conversations. And a way to actually use these in conversations by using hal. I'm going to actually write the short cases on all of these. Bait kabir, ashrab ma. I'm pausing. Ashrab ma or ashrabu ma. And this is a nominal sentence. This is a verbal sentence. A nominal sentence starts with ism, and a verbal sentence starts with fi'al. Fi'al. But I want to be able to use these in conversations. One way to use this in a conversation is by using hal. Hal. And hal stands for two things in English. Stands for are or is, like when you are asking a yes and no question. Are you or is he or am I as a question. So it would replace verb to be in a question, or the auxiliary do or does. For example, in English, you would say, are you a student? Question, are you a student? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? So what we have here is, as I said, are, is, am, and here is the auxiliary do or does. In Arabic, you would say are you is hal. Hal, 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 anta. هل أنت طالب؟ هل أنت طالب؟ هل أنت طالب؟ Are you a student? هل أنت طالب? So I'm using هل for are right here. And you is أنت, and you can say أنتِ, but you have to indicate the feminine in the word طالب. Right here, هل تشرب, and I bring the lam a little bit down. هل تشرب قهوة؟ هل تشرب قهوة؟ هل تشرب قهوة? So what we have here is هل, which is do, and then the indication of ta, anta, is just the ta. Like what we learned when you conjugate verbs. In Arabic, you indicate the speaker by the placement of the prefixes attached to the verb. So ta is actually you. Right here, this is ta. And then we have the verb, and then we have qahwa. But hal goes for do, and then are you, or is he a student, or is she a student, or am I a student? The answer for these are usually yes or no. For yes, we say na'am. 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 And for no, we say la, la. And I have indicated this in previous videos, is you place the lam, then you cross it with an alif. Some people create this loop. Some people do just keep it like that. You would even find other people writing it like this. But the whole point is to have lam, lam and alif crossed for la, la, no. Let's make more sentences in the form of question and answer. So I'm going to say هل بيت, I'm using بيت, هل بيت ka, I'm talking to someone, so I need to make sure I indicate the possession. هل بيتك, هل بيتك, is your house, هل بيتك كبير, هل بيتك كبير, question mark, هل بيتك كبير, كبير, هل بيتك كبير, نعم. So I'm saying نعم, نعم, and I put a comma up here. بيتي, because I'm responding. I'm not going to say بيتك. بيتي, بيتي. And here is the indication of my. بيتي. Here we have ka. بيتي. نعم, بيتي كبير. نعم, بيتي كبير. Period. نقطة. نعم, بيتي كبير. I'm saying لا. And this is very important because now we're going to be learning about the negation. لا. بيتي. بيتي. ليس. And the interesting part about negation, it gets conjugated based on the gender of the noun. So because we have masculine noun, bait, so we say ليس, ليس, بيتي ليس كبير. My house is not big. كبير, sorry. My house is not big. كبير, كبير. The opposite of كبير would be صغير. صغير, صغير. So بيتي ليس, ليس, ليس is not, is not. So the question here goes, هل بيتك كبير? هل بيتك كبير? You have option A and option B. نعم, نعم, بيتي كبير. لا, بيتي ليس كبير. And then you can say بيتي صغير. You have to indicate بيت and then add صغير. بيتي ليس كبير, بيتي صغير. But how come the conjugation here of the negation in Arabic gets conjugated? It's quite interesting because when you are saying he's not, I'm not, you're not, it takes a different conjugation. Not like in English, you would just say not, not, not. But in Arabic, it takes the speaker's indication. So I am not, you're not, or you are not, but I want to make sure that I say not here. He's not, she's not, and then I'm going to bring, this is the masculine, and bring the feminine right here, close to she. That way you see both feminines. You're not. So what we do is we have Laysa. Laysa is basically the the root, which is not. I am not, we say la s tu. There is no ya right here. La s tu. Less tu. Less tu. You're not less ta. Less ta. He's not laysa. And as we said, the third person masculine, usually in most conjugations, it keeps the infinitive. So the infinitive is laysa. He's not laysa. Laysa. It keeps the ya. She's not laysat. 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 You're not lasti for a girl. Lasti. Lasti. So as you can see that only he and she have the ya right here. Lay and lay. But all of them, they have t, and t, except for he. So lestu, I'm not. Lesta, laysa, laysat, lasti. We picked laysa for bait because bait is masculine and it's like a he, but it's an it masculine. Baiti laysa kabir. If I'm going to say sayyara, which is car, sayyara, and a sayyara is it, but it's a feminine it, so we will refer to it as she. Sayyara, sayyara. So I'm going to change sayyara, right, the ta marbuta to become my. You see how I'm doing it? This takes the regular T. Sayyarati, my car. Sayyarati, let me write it clearer here. Sayyarati, the initial form of ta. Sayyarati laysat. Laysat. Right here. Laysat she. Laysat, because it's feminine. Sayyarati laysat kabira. My car is not big. My car is not big. So what we have here, we have ta, which is what we had right here in the initial, which is ta marbuta. That's the feminine indication. Laysat is she is not, and she also is for it feminine. Laysat kabira, and here again we have the feminine. So feminine, feminine, and that would remind you of word agreement. Word agreement. If I'm going to say a question using this sayyara, and I want to say, is your car small, for example? Let's write it. Is your car small would be هل سيارتك, or key, depending who you're talking to. But listen to me saying sayyara, sayyara. I'm stressing on the ya. So I'm going to put that little tiny shadda. سيارتك. هل سيارتك صغيرة? Is your car small? هل سيارتك كبيرة? So you would only change the adjective. And your answer would depend on whether it's big or small, but the negation is not going to change. The negation is going to take after sayyara because it's feminine. لا سيارتي ليست is not. سيارتي ليست. سيارتي ليست صغيرة. سيارتي ليست صغيرة. My car is not big. My car my car is not small or my car is not big. It doesn't matter which one you use, but what matters is you have to get the negation right. ليست is used for feminine. ليس is used for masculine when we say the house. The house is masculine. So this would be for asking questions about objects. You can also use questions with a verb. So you want to say, do you drink tea? So do you drink tea would be هل تشرب شاي. هل تشرب شاي? Do you drink tea? هل تشرب شاي? So we're using do you. We're using the verb. I can talk about a person and I can say هل Mike يشرب. So I'm using Mike, so it would be he. هل Mike يشرب شاي? هل ليلى, it's a name. هل ليلى تشرب حليب? هل ليلى تشرب حليب؟ هل تشرب ماء? Do you drink water? هل تشرب ماء? So what you're using right here is an indication of who you're talking to. So هل تشرب, you're talking to a masculine you. هل Mike يشرب, we're talking about Mike, so he. ليلى تشرب, we're talking about she. And I can say تشربين for you feminine, and I'll write it right here. هل تشربين, for you feminine I mean. هل تشربين, you feminine. هل تشربين عصير? هل تشربين عصير؟ هل تشربين عصير? So تشرب تشربين. This is the indication. Ta. This is the indication again. Yeah. Here is the indication again. Yeah. Ta, and ta-in. I'm talking to a girl here. هل تشرب, you, masculine. Mike, he. ليلى, she. هل تشرب, so it's you, masculine. And هل تشربين, you, feminine. So this is how we would actually write questions in Arabic, but we can also apply different vocabulary. We can talk about objects, we can talk about places, we can talk about, we can use verbs. So hal is always used with verbs and also with nouns. هل أنت فرحان? Are you happy? هل أنتِ فرحانة? Are you happy for feminine? So that'll be all for today. Thank you.